Hello everyone and welcome back to The Maker. In this video, I want to show you Plasmic. This is a very cool tool that allows you to create a lot of things. For example, I use this to create a MVP and launch it on Product Hunt. If you want to check it, this is the app that I built with Plasmic. So what is Plasmic? Plasmic is a website builder or web builder that can integrate with your codebase. So what makes this different from other website builder or no-code tools? Actually, it's very simple. Let me check here. What makes this platform special is that it empowers a whole team to work seamlessly, because this is a WYSIWYG builder without limit. And what makes it without limit is that it's zero login. You can switch from codebase to design as you want. So imagine that you are a designer and you create a mockup of a website or a web application in a mockup tool like Figma or Adobe XD. Then you have to send it to the developer to actually create it, for example, with Jamstack, with nextjs, or send it to Webflow, WordPress, and create them with a website builder. With Plasmic, you can remove all those hassles, because Plasmic, as you can see, is very similar to a mockup builder. So you have global styles, components, and you can build your website like with Figma, but actually you can publish them and you get your website. And if what you are intended to create is not a website or a simple blog but a complex application, you can go to code. From here, you can choose CodeGen instead of Plasmic loader that is better for blogs. With CodeGen, you can import all the components that you have created with Plasmic and import them like a library and use them with your project. Right now, it's integrated with React, Next.js, Gatsby, and all those other tools. In the future, they also stated that there will add other programming languages such as Vue.js and so on. Now that you see what Plasmic can do, let's check the new version that is launched recently. I think the potential of this platform is very huge. So what they introduced with Plasmic 2.0, because they are at the beginning, the platform has few components that you can use. But now with this new version, you can import your component into Plasmic. You can do a lot more. And this website that is built with Plasmic show you, for example, what you can import. You can import React YouTube, Google Maps, Material UI, and Design, and more libraries. It's also possible to import data from GraphQL API or REST API. Then we have some effects such as React Riviera, React Parallax, scroll effect, embedded components, and a link to clone this website, so you can try it by yourself. And now let's take a look inside. So the interface is very similar to Figma, for example. On the left side, on the left panel, we have the outline that has three main elements: custom arenas, pages, and component. We can filter them in this way, but for now we are going to choose to see everything. You can also, if you have a lot of elements, to find them with the search bar. To create new elements, just go to the plus button and create a new page, component, or custom arena. Inside our component, we can add elements from this button. We have those basic elements such as free text, images, icons, our component, so we can use our component in our other components. And styled element assets like images and icons. And we also have template blocks. Now in the second one, we have style token that we can use to define styles such as color, size, spaces, and if you want something more complex, we can use mixing. From here, you can see that if we open one of them, we can modify a lot of attributes. So mixing are bundle of style. So next time when you want to create a text, for example, and you have a predefined style for this text, you can instead to modify one by one all those attributes, just use mixing and select one from this drop down. Then we have all of our components in this section. For example, we can reuse them in our project and drag them inside. To modify them, we can come back to outline and select them from here to modify them. Then we have those assets that are icons and images. We have default style, custom font, and responsive breakpoints. Once that we have created our website, we can publish them directly from this button, publish. We can also share our project with our collaborators with a link, with share button, or also export those elements to use them in our codebase with code. If you just want to know what the final result looks like, you don't need to publish every time because you have preview option. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and make me know in the comment what do you think about this platform. And see you next time. Bye.